Hi, dear teachers, my dear students and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about the present perfect continuous tense. It is used for an action which began in the past and is still continuing. In this tense we use the prepositions since and for. Since is used to indicate a point of time. For is used to indicate a period of time. Now let us see the examples for the prepositions since and for. First let us take the preposition since. Since 2007, since yesterday, since January, since 9 o'clock, since last week, etc. Let us take the examples for the preposition for, which indicates a period of time. For 2 minutes, for 2 days, for 3 weeks, for 4 months, for 6 years, etc. Now let us take the structure for the present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have or has plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus phrase. Here we use the prepositions since or for. For good and all, what is the structure? Subject plus have or has plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since or for plus phrase. Now let us see some examples which are related to the present perfect continuous tense. I have been watching TV since 9 o'clock. We have been watching TV since 9 o'clock. You have been watching TV since 9 o'clock. They have been watching TV since 9 o'clock. He has been watching TV since 9 o'clock. She has been watching TV since 9 o'clock. Mukesh has been watching TV since 9 o'clock. Mrunalini has been watching TV since 9 o'clock. If you ask questions by using the present perfect continuous tense, how long have you been waiting here? I have been waiting here for 10 minutes. I have been waiting here since 8 o'clock. Here, for indicates a period of time, since indicates a point of time. In such a way, we should have the command over the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, in my next session, I will come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.